Chapter 2 Kings, Farmers and Towns Revision Class 12 Subject History Book Themes in Indian History Part 1 James Prinsep, an officer in the East India Company, deciphered Kharoshti and Brahmi script. 16 Mahajanpadas. Most Mahajanpadas were ruled by kings, some known as Ganas or Sanghas, were oligarchies where power was shared by number of men after collectively called Rajas. In case of Vaji Sanghas, the Rajas probably controlled resources such as land collectively. Each Mahajanpadas had capital city with fortification having armies and bureaucracies. From 6th century BCE onwards, Brahmins began composing Sanskrit texts known as the Dharam Shastras that laid down the norms for rules who were ideally expected to be Kshatriyas. Raids on neighboring states were recognized as legitimate means of acquiring wealth. Sources to know about Mauryas. Arthashastra, book written by Kautilya or Chanakya. He was the Prime Minister of Chandragupta Maurya. It is a book on economic and political conditions of Mauryan Empire. Next, Indica. It's a book by Megasthenes, a Greek ambassador of Seleucus Nicator in Chandragupta Maurya's court. It describes about administration of Mauryan Empire, 7 caste system and absence of slavery in India. Next, Buddhist literature. Jatakas reveal, so here is a spelling mistake. Jatakas reveal socio-economic conditions of Mauryan period. Mahavasma and Dipvasma throws light on the role of Ashoka in spreading Buddhism to Sri Lanka. Next, Ashokan edicts. Rock edicts, pillar edicts, cave inscriptions are found in number of places and have been deciphered by James Prinsep. Material remains: northern black polished ware, silver and copper punch marked coins. Magadha became a powerful Mahajanpada. Ambitious kings Bimbisar, Ajatshatru, Mahapadmananda used all fair and foul means to expand and strengthen their kingdom. Geographical situation: excess of iron deposits which they used for weapons. Because of large forests, elephants were used in large number in wars by Mauryans. Next, agriculture. Magadha being in the center of Gangetic plain, land was fertile for agriculture. Heavy rainfall made production even without irrigation. Variety of paddy were produced as mentioned in Buddhist texts. Mauryan administration. Chandragupta Maurya founded Mauryan dynasty 321 BCE. This empire extended till Afghanistan. Ashoka extended the boundaries till Kalinga, present-day Odisha. The capital and provincial centers of the empire were located on important trade routes. Taxila and Ujjaini were located on important long-distance trade route, and Survangiri was located in such a way to tap gold mines of Karnataka. The ruler was the highest source of authority. He was advised by number of council of ministers known as Mantri Parishad. The whole empire was divided into districts and sub-districts. These districts were controlled by Sthanika and sub-district villages by Gramikas. The committee which controlled the empire had 30 members with 6 sub-committees each having 5 members. This have been documented by Megasthenes Indica. The 6 sub-committees were: first navy, second transport and provisions, third horses, fourth foot soldiers, fifth elephants and sixth chariots. The second subcommittee included the following: arranging for transport, collecting food for soldiers, recruiting servants and artisans to look after the soldiers during journey. The ruler used 2 books to administer justice: Dharmashastra by Brahmans, Karthakashodhana by minister. There was another committee with 30 members. It had 6 subcommittees with 5 members controlling care and comfort of foreigners, collection of taxes, registration of trade and commerce including weights and measures, registration of births and deaths, collection of taxes, controlling of manufacturers. Ashoka inscribed his messages on polished pillars and natural surfaces such as rocks. These messages were called Dhamma. Dhamma Mahamatta to spread the message. Limitations of inscriptional evidences. Letters faintly engraved, therefore reconstruction impossible. Inscriptions damaged or letters missing. Not always easy to be sure about the exact meaning of words used in inscriptions. Not all inscriptions have been deciphered from which have been discovered. The content of inscriptions depend on the perspective of the person who commissioned them. Friends, now Mahajanpada and cities in maps. Here is Taxila, Kuru, Panchala, Kosala, Varanasi, Vajji, Magadha, Rajgir, Avanti, Ujjain. So if these comes in maps question, you can mark them down. Friends, we have completed chapter 2 Kings, Farmers and Towns revision and maps. If you like the video, kindly like it and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.